Some viewers may find this disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
On today's episode of Sea of Thieves.
Shoot! Yeah, you missed! Yeah, you got him! Yeah! Yeah! Ah! your skeleton dick is in my face. Yeah! I'm on hold duty. Hold on. Fuck! Fuck! He hit me inside! Fuck it, we're taking him. Yeah, that's not the ship. That's not the big Mahoney. He's fixing to die. Yeah, fuck you. Ugh! Woo! Oh, you whaled his ass. Good job. When we get up close, I want to try to light him on fire. Oh, you hit him again. Damn. Oh, fuck. Yeah! I lit his shit on fire. Are we sinking? Oh, fuck. We turned our... Hey, there's another crew in front of us. Hey! Hey! We coming? Ah! Fuck, we're gonna die! Hey! 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 No! Friend! Motherfucker! Yeah! 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 Eat it! Ugh! 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 Oh, I missed. I'm out of balls! Need more balls! Wait, you gotta load the... What the fuck did you just shoot at him? Oh. Fuck you guys. Here, let me, there you go, we should turn faster now. You missed. I like we're just in like a deadlock right here. Here, let me turn the wheel. Oh fuck, I was starting to turn. Fuck yeah. Oh wait. He can't handle the truth. Bring it on. Turning sails. Oh fuck. We're lined up with him now. God damn, we're in. Yeah. Yeah, fuck you. I think I have balls. No, I don't have bullets. Oh, he's shooting. Who's he shooting at? Oh shit, here it comes. Woo! Stupid pirate bitch. Oh fuck! Oh fuck! I'm on hold duty. Hold on. Fuck! Fuck! He hit me inside. I don't know. It's almost like they're computers. Fuck! Fuck! Hold on. There's holes everywhere in here. What the fuck? I hope so. Here, I just threw more water in here. That's good. Yeah. Ah! How do we disable? What the fuck? They lowered our. Oh fuck, we're gonna die. We gotta put wood on this to repair it. Help me raise the anchor. Help me raise the anchor. Are you dying? We're moving. What the fuck did that do? Okay. Oh shit! Oh! I fell off! I fell off the boat! Yeah! Woo! I'm up here! I'm here with them! Ow! Austin! Turn that shit! Fucking. Fuck! Die! I'm on the boat! I'm dying!
Wah, wah, wah.
Oh, that's a ghost pirate ship. Yeah, that's right. Stay over there. Oh fuck 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 fuck. Austin. Never mind. broke our cannon. Damn it. Son of a bitch. Fuck! I'm dying! I'm dying! I was trying to get upon their ship. I'm on! I'm on! I'm off! You shot me off the fucking side! Fuck! He's stuck on our ship. He's sinking! He's sinking! We won! We won! I said we won! Here, go to him and we'll loot his booty. We sinking? We're sinking. We're sinking. We got bail water. Bail water! Holy fuck! I need help. Yes. Never mind. Just here. Just get us close to him, so we can take his booty. Everywhere. All right. Oh shit! Right here. Drop the anchor. See, here's all the shit. Oh shit! We lined it up perfect. Yeah. Look at this shit. I can't believe it. Dude, it was meant to be. It only took 3 tries. I missed. I missed. I got it. You see any more shiny stuff? Gently behind the rocks. Your skeleton dick is in my face. Yeah. Yeah, your boner. Fuck yes, where the winches at? Hell yeah. There's shit in the water. Fuck, I missed. Ah, I missed all the shit in the water. Oh, fuck. 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 We're right in cannon position. You might want to start shooting. Yeah! God damn it, I can never make it onto their ship. Hey. I have news. I have news. Look at the side of their ship. I don't know what to do. Alright. They don't know I'm here yet. I hope that... I hope they don't realize I'm here. They don't sound very happy, though. Wait. You're coming onto the side that I'm on. Shoot him! Shoot him!
And it's gone.
Yeah, you missed! Yeah, you got him! Yeah! Yeah!
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Yeah! They know I'm here! Hey, they're black skulls! They're black skeletons! Fuck! Hey, I'm dying on their ship. He's apparently a part of the he's a shipmate of the Golden Guilds. We're underwater! What the fuck? We're sinking down here. A lot. I need help. I need help. I need help quickly. 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 It's too late. Oh. Fuck.